Hello and welcome back to Sister Cousins. My name is Sandy and today I am participating in a video collab that's hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Fabulous Designs on a Budget. So I had done my fall decor about a week ago. I uploaded my video and then I ran across this particular collab that these two ladies were hosting. And I watched a few of them and I'm like, I've got to do this. So the twist with this one is it is a fall bar cart and drink collab. So you have to come up with a fall drink to share as well as your fall bar cart. So as a part of my fall decor video that I did about a week or so ago, I included my bar cart, but because I was doing this challenge, I went back and kind of tweaked a few things just so that I could participate in it. So if you'd like to see what that's all about or what I came up with and to see what drink I'm going to share with you, stick around. All right, so this drink doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients. It has sparkling apple cider, which I picked up from Trader Joe's. I would imagine you can do hard cider too. I've never made this drink before, full disclosure, so this is going to be an experiment. It has agave in it. It has gin in it. I am not a gin drinker, so this will be really interesting. It has lemon juice. You garnish with apples and also thyme, T-H-Y-M-E, which I do not have, but I'm going to supplement with some mint. So you just mix all these ingredients together and come up with your drink. So here goes. So what's interesting about the recipe that I was going to loosely follow is it doesn't have all the measurements for the ingredients. So I'm kind of ad-libbing here, but it did call for 2 ounces of gin. So I'm gonna just put that in, and then I'm gonna do twice that of the apple cider. So I'm gonna do about 4 ounces. That's actually a little bit more, but it's all good. I'm gonna pour that in. And then it calls for some agave, and it doesn't say how much of this, so uh-oh, I don't want to drop that. I'm just gonna take about a half a teaspoon of that because I don't like super sweet drinks, so I can always adjust it if need be. And what's the other thing it needs? The lemon juice. So again, it doesn't say how much. I'm just gonna squeeze some of it, see how much I get, and just put it down in there. See how much I got. Not very much. These lemons were kind of hard and I should have rolled it around a little bit before I stirred it. And of course you can use just regular lemon juice. I just had a lemon, so I decided to try that. And then instead of garnishing with the apples, I'm going to put my apples in to make it like a oh my goodness, what is that drink with the fruit in it, the Spanish drink? I can't even think of it. It'll come to me. But I just put it all in there and I'm going to shake it up. I love infused fruit, so it's not going to be infused for very long because I'm going to be tasting it. But that's really it. So it's really like just a few ingredients: your gin, your agave, your sparkling apple cider, which you can find everywhere this time of year, some lime juice, and your fruit and thyme. I'm going to put some mint on mine when I put it in my glass. So that's it for that piece. Let me put it in the glass and try it. All right, so here is the taste test. It looks very nice and fall-like, an autumn drink. It's called the Autumn Fizz. It's good. It tastes a lot like apple juice, so if you like apple juice, you will like it. I don't taste gin at all. Yeah, I don't taste any gin. Definitely would not have needed any additional agave either. It is sweet enough. but it just tastes like apple juice. And with the fruit in it, I made it as sort of like a sangria. That was the drink I was trying to think of, but it's really good. I would do it again. I would experiment with it too and maybe make it with some vodka or something else, but very good and simple to make. So now let me show you the changes that I made to my bar cart. That's the second half of this challenge. I will have the playlist to this collab in my description box, as well as the the recipe that I followed for the autumn fizz. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around while you see the bar cart, and please be sure to subscribe so that you see other videos when I upload them. Thank you. Okay, so I am back with the changes that I did to my bar cart, but before I go into the description here, let me tell you that that autumn fizz definitely is one of those drinks that is kind of smooth going down, but it really packs a punch. And maybe it's because I'm not a gin drinker, but it's really, really strong. So if you're having a holiday party and you want to make your guests feel really good really fast, you might want to try that autumn fizz. It is really, really good. And very smooth going down, but it does pack a little punch there. So what I've done here for my bar cart is I went over to Old Time Pottery. I picked up some of their autumn picks that they had, and I just stuck them down in this jar here that was like 75% off. I also got that there. And then they had these rocks at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure everybody has seen those. I just added those to the bottom just to give it a little rustic look. I picked up some fall napkins also from the Dollar Tree. I picked up this little pumpkin that has a candle in the middle that I just thought was too cute. I got that from Old Time Pottery as well. And then I got this sign that says thankful, grateful, blessed. And that is how I updated my fall cart. Oh, I got another mug too that is a harvest mug that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree. So that is my updated autumn bar cart. That drink has gotten to me already. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.